if I go ahead and enter a trade with the current price right now, okay, once your trade triggers, once it is a pending order, you will see it on your orders right here. But once the trade triggers, you will see it right here. Now, because we have set, if you enter the trade without setting TP and SL, once the trade triggers, you can equally click on the set TP and SL option and then put in your TP and your SL right here. Okay, once you put in your TP and SL, now if it has TP1, TP2, TP3, and you want to close your trade, okay, you want to close your trade on TP1, okay, what you want to do right there is, let's say you want to close part of that trade at TP1. What I need to do is to click on the close buy option. Now, once I click on the close buy option, I'll go to limit. Once I'm on the limit option, our TP1 here says that we should close our trade at 7.5. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and type 7.5 right here, 7.5. Okay, now if I go ahead and click on the confirm option, it means if this trade, if this token gets to 7.5, if the price gets to 7.5, all of my trade will be closed. But I want to close part of that. So what I want to do is to select 25%. So it means if I enter this trade with $5, 25% of that will be closed once it gets to this level. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on confirm, and that will set a limit order for me. So if this market gets to TP1, 25% of our trade will be closed. Half of the money we enter that trade, or 25% of the money we enter that trade will be secured for us. And then 25% of the profit we made will equally be secured for us. I can go ahead again and click on the close buy option, go to the limit option. And then this time around, remember, we have closed 25% already. So we are left with 75% of our position. But when it gets to TP2, which is around 8.2, okay, I'll go ahead and add 8.2 right here, 8.2, which is our TP2 level. And this time around, I want to close another 25%. I can decide to close 50% this time around. I can decide to close 75%. Okay. And if the quantity that you have right now is 7.9, you can decide to close one of that token and all of, but I just use 50%. Okay. And then I go ahead and click on confirm. Now, once I click on confirm, that is it, guys. All right. So that's basically that. This is how my trade will be closing at different TP level. It will be closing part of my trades. Okay. Half of my trade will be closed, 25% of my trade will be closed until the final level, right? Now, when it gets to the full TP, the entire trade will be closed, because that is what we initially said on that trade, which is what you see right here. This is the initial TP and SL. But these other ones will be setting up, will be as pending orders, right? So when the trade gets to TP1, half of it or 25% will be closed, whatever you specify there, right? That's how you set different TPs level after your trade triggers. Okay, after your trade triggers, you can now set all of those different TP levels. I hope you understand everything that I've explained in this video. If there's anything you don't understand, please use the comment section to let me know, or you can use the discussion forum right here to let me know. And if you have any challenge, guys, you are always free to ask questions. Always, the group is always open. So ask questions and you will definitely get responses from us. That is it for this video, guys. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that whenever we publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you are not on Telegram, guys, those of you who have not joined us on Telegram, make sure you use the link on my bio or in the video description to join us. And I'll see you guys in my next video.